In the year 2050, aviation had undergone a revolutionary transformation. The skies were filled with sleek, silent aircraft that bore little resemblance to the conventional planes of the past. This transformation was the result of years of innovation and collaboration among scientists, engineers, and the breakthrough that sparked this change was the development of anti-gravity propulsion systems. Scientists had discovered a way to manipulate gravitational forces, allowing aircraft to defy traditional aerodynamics and soar effortlessly through the air. This discovery marked the beginning of a new. The planes of the future were marvels of engineering, featuring streamlined designs and advanced materials that made them not only efficient, but also environmentally friendly. These futuristic aircraft emitted minimal emissions thanks to advancements in clean energy technology. Solar panels adorned the interior of these planes was a testament to luxury and comfort. Passengers enjoyed spacious cabins with panoramic windows, providing breathtaking views of the Earth below. Virtual reality entertainment systems allowed travelers to immerse themselves in a world of their choosing. Making long flight. Global aviation network had evolved as well. A sophisticated air traffic control system, powered by artificial intelligence, ensured smooth and efficient travel across the skies. Advanced communication technologies enabled real-time collaboration between aircraft, reducing the risk of collisions. In this future world, travel had become more accessible than ever. The anti-gravity technology had drastically reduced the cost of air travel, making it an affordable and convenient option for people around the globe. Cities were seamlessly connected, and remote locations were now easily accessible. However, the development of future planes was not without its challenges. Ethical considerations and environmental impact assessments were crucial aspects of the design process. Striking a balance between technological progress and sustainability was a constant focus, leading to ongoing research. As the sun set on another day in 2050, the skies were filled with these futuristic planes, crisscrossing the globe in a harmonious dance of technology and nature. The future of air travel had arrived, transforming the way people connected, explored, and experienced the world.